Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best food tweezers is probably one of the most underrated kitchen gadgets out there. If you're a home cook who loves to plate your dishes with precision, or a professional chef looking for that extra edge, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of food tweezers, exploring their uses, and helping you choose the perfect pair to elevate your culinary game. Number 5. JETKONG 12-inch stainless steel kitchen tweezers. These extra-long stainless steel tweezers are perfect for all your cooking needs. They are made of high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and safety. The JETKONG tweezers are rust and corrosion resistant. They are also lightweight and easy to handle, making them a great addition to any kitchen. Designed with your comfort in mind, these cooking tweezers feature an ergonomic shape. The blunt tips ensure safety while securely holding food, reducing slips. These tweezers are great for various settings, from kitchens to parties. You can use them for cooking, grabbing small objects, or even for crafts and pet care. Each package includes two 12-inch stainless steel kitchen tweezers. They are a versatile tool for any task. JETKONG is committed to providing top-quality products. If you have any issues, please contact us through your order, and we will provide a satisfactory solution. What we like. This tweezer is made of durable stainless steel, ensuring it will last in your kitchen. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, even for extended use. If you are looking for a versatile tool that can handle everything from cooking to crafting, you should consider this one. What people say. The long, slim design gives great reach and control, and they're easy to clean. Whether I'm grilling or cooking in a pan, these tweezers handle it all with ease. They perform exceptionally well even in high heat, proving their reliability. These tweezers have endured multiple runs through the dishwasher without any issues, showcasing their robust build quality. Number 4. Bundlepro 4 PCS Kitchen Tweezers. Introducing the Bundlepro Kitchen Tweezer Set. This set is made of high-quality stainless steel. It is designed for both professional chefs and home cooks. These tweezers are made of good quality stainless steel, ensuring rust and heat resistance. They are safe to use and reusable, with a smooth surface to avoid food residue. This set includes 4 different designs, perfect for plating small and delicate foods. They are ideal for handling items like corn kernels and cranberries. The long design is great for barbecue. The fine teeth in the tip prevent slipping, while the serrations on the handle ensure a secure grip. The slender tip allows it to easily reach into narrow spaces. This set is essential for cooking, roasting, and serving. After each use, simply wipe it with hot water or put it in the dishwasher. It's a must-have for any kitchen. Bundlepro is committed to providing customers with good products and service. Good kitchenware often gets twice the result with half the effort. Trust us to help you. What we like. This set offers multiple designs, perfect for various cooking tasks. It's a secret weapon for professional chefs, allowing for precise plating. If you are looking for a set that helps you create delicate dishes with ease, you should choose this one. What people say. The accuracy that you can get with these bad boys is top tier. They are easy to clean and even easier to use, 10/10 on the quality for the price. So easy to use and pick things up. Easier than tongs. I'm like a very fancy chef now. Nice heavy quality. Couple different sizes. Works like a champ. Number 3. SouxMux 12-inch cooking tweezers tongs. These tweezers are perfect for plating and detailed cooking tasks. They are long enough to keep your hands away from the heat source. They are a must-have tool for any chef. The set includes 2 types of tweezers, one with skinny tips and another with wider tips. The blunt tips are safe to use, and the fine tip design helps create delicate dishes. The grooved handle prevents slipping. Made from food-grade stainless steel, these tweezers resist rust and corrosion. They also feature a carbonation protection finish for long-term use. The ergonomic handles provide a secure and comfortable grip. These tweezers are ideal for handling delicate food, decorating dishes, and flipping items. They are also great for protecting vegetables and getting small food items out of containers. It's a versatile tool. This metal kitchen tongs set makes an adorable gift for anyone who loves to cook. It's perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, and other special occasions. It's a gift they'll remember. Besides the kitchen, these tweezers can be used for feeding small animals, cleaning gardens, and plant maintenance. They are a versatile tool for various tasks. What we like. This tweezer features serrated tips for a secure grip and a non-slip handle for comfort. It's made of strong, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability. If you like precision and control in your cooking, you should consider this one. What people say. Fit easily in the drawer and are quite useful. They are well made and very helpful in my cooking. Use all the time with chicken, beef, and work really well small seafood like prawns, and scallops, etc. Number 2. Bundlepro Stainless Steel Chef Tweezer Set. These kitchen tweezers are made of food-grade stainless steel, offering excellent rust and heat resistance. They are durable and reusable, with a smooth surface to prevent food residue. This set includes 3 different designs of 10-inch tweezers, perfect for plating delicate foods. The long design makes it easy to flip food during barbecue. The fine teeth at the tip prevent slipping, while the handle serrations ensure a secure grip. The slender tip allows it to easily reach into narrow spaces. It's essential to have a professional set of food tweezers in your kitchen. This set is useful for cooking, roasting, and serving. Simply wipe it with hot water or put it in the dishwasher after use. Good kitchenware often gets twice the result with half the effort. Bundlepro is committed to providing customers with quality products and excellent service. What we like. This set is made of food-grade stainless steel, ensuring safety and durability. It offers multiple designs for various cooking needs. If you are looking for a professional-grade set that helps you with plating and barbecue, you should consider this one. What people say. They are very helpful with picking up food off a dish or pan. I use them a lot and strong for cooking, the size keeps fingers from getting burns. Cleaning is easy and has plastic tip for storing. These are perfect for the task. They have a nice weight to them, hold a punch of cooked pasta without breaking it, and the finer tweezers do a great job of putting delicate little bits of zest, culinary flowers from our garden, herbs, etc. in exactly the right place for our dishes to look and taste amazing. I use for bacon, they are long enough to keep your hands out of the pan, yet still enable precise control for sauté. Number 1. Stainless steel 12-inch tweezer tongs. These extra-long stainless steel tongs are perfect for all your cooking needs. They are made of high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and safety. Use it for cooking, roasting, and serving. The 12-inch length provides ample reach and control in the kitchen. Whether you're spearing a pickle, stir-frying, or flipping tortillas, this tool is up to the task. It makes cooking easier. The grooved tips allow you to lift even very small items with ease. You'll have precise control in the kitchen. Cleanup is a breeze as it is dishwasher safe. This makes it a convenient addition to any kitchen. What we like. This tweezer is made of high-quality food-grade stainless steel. It is extra long, keeping your hands away from heat. If you are looking for a simple, yet effective tool for everyday cooking tasks, you should choose this one. What people say. Made of high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, they're perfect for tasks like stir-frying, flipping tortillas, and even spearing small items like pickles. The grooved tips provide excellent grip, so even small or slippery items are easy to handle. They are sturdy, easy to use, easy to clean and well made. Work well with small pieces, such as browning meat cuts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.